Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Wi-Fi is connected but no internet access on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. The first solution is to power cycle the modem, router, and the computer. Switch off the modem, router, and computer, all the three devices. Now, switch on the modem only and wait till all the lights are stable. Then switch on the router only and then wait till the lights are stable and finally switch on the computer. If you have a modem and router combined, then switch off the modem router combination and the computer. Switch on the modem router combination first. Let the lights be stable and then switch on the router. So this is the main solution. Once this has been sorted, you can consider the following. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the first one and update drivers. If this is sorted, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab, select advanced network settings, network reset, and finally click on reset now and yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.